I cannot bear the thought of being without you. Your face keeps appearing in the crowd, compelling me to reach out to you immediately. Everywhere I go, I encounter reminders of you, whether it's your name, things we shared, or even songs that remind me of our time together. I attempted to distract myself with work, people, and friends, but nothing can replace the feeling of missing you. Both of us are aware that we dislike the silence that lingers between us. Yet, we remain hesitant, waiting for the other to break the silence. My heart urged me to take that step, but fear holds me back. Nevertheless, I am determined to gather the courage because I understand that communication is the only key to moving forward in this connection. Without it, things will become increasingly difficult and complicated. Everyone around me can see that I am not happy without you. Nothing excites me or captures my attention because my thoughts are consumed by you constantly. Thank you for watching.